question. It says for each natural number k, choose a complex number zk with mod of zk is equal to 1 and denote ak, the area of the triangle formed by zk, izk and zk plus iota zk. Then which of the following is true for the series given below? So first let us try to find out this area AK. To find that, I will make this diagram. We are given this ZK has mod equal to 1. From origin distance will be 1. Iota ZK, which will be just the rotation of ZK by 90 degree, because iota has argument equal to 90 degree. So here this will be 90 degree and this length will also be 1 only. Now ZK plus iota ZK can be found by making a parallelogram, which here would be a square, because these two lengths OZK and OIZK, they are same and they are at 90 degree. So this parallelogram will be a square. So this will be this point Z plus iota ZK, ZK plus iota ZK. Now they are saying AK is the area of the triangle formed by this, this and this. So this is the triangle which we are looking for. In fact, this triangle or the triangle OZK, IZK, they both will be same. So here this AK will be actually equal to half into base into height you can use, because this triangle is right angle, so that will be 1 by 2. So one thing is that AK is not dependent upon K. In fact, why will it be dependent on K? Because all ZK which are having magnitude equal to 1, you will be getting same area of the triangle. So AK will be half, and now we are looking for this summation half raised to the power k, as k vary from 1 to infinity. So I think this becomes a simple GP, half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 and so on. So sum of all such GPs always converges. So it is not dependent upon ZK. It converges only if ZK lies in same quadrant. It always converges. Answer will be C. In fact, you can find the sum of this GP, which will come out to be 1 only. So answer will be C for this question.